Hello and welcome to another update video on AVAX. So if you like the content, if you appreciate the analysis, make sure you subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up. That would be appreciated. Now, in our members area, people asked me to focus on AVAX this week. Take a look at the AVAX chart. You guys can vote on Discord for different coins. AVAX here received 7% vote, so I'm breaking it down for you guys here on YouTube now as well. So the idea is that on this chart, we are in a local uptrend after the price reacted to our support area. That's the support area. I mean, I've had this on the chart for a year. I think since the top tier in March. But obviously, it's a messy chart. Like, we have not a very good read on this structure to the upside. That has to do with exchanges, volume, just messy structures on the micro patterns, which just makes this especially tricky to read. This double bottom structure as well, so it's not entirely clear what this is. What is clear, I think, is that the move down is a three-wave move. So I'm overall still giving the bulls here the benefit of the doubt in this cycle, at least until Bitcoin forms a top. So the thesis was that, hey, we have a support area here, the price might bounce from there. How exactly is it a little tricky to determine, because it could be just a corrective rally in wave 2, after a B wave topped here, and we are kind of in a C wave decline, like a larger downtrend, right? So that is a possibility. But in the short term, we said, look, as long as this support zone is holding, we could see higher prices. And that can happen, for example, in an ABC structure. That's what I'm tracking primarily. But there's also the yellow scenario that can still take us to $100 plus if things go really well. So in both counts, higher. In the short term now, what we are tracking here is, first of all, an ABC structure and the C wave, 1, 2, A, B, C in wave 3, then wave 4, then wave 5. So this is kind of unchanged. It's basically what we talked about in previous updates, member live streams as well. I think we covered AVAX in one of the last few ones. And I've always said, look, this is the support zone that kind of protects AVAX from sliding into a bear market. I'm not convinced of this chart, right, about this chart, but we have a long-term chart that we share on Discord. And the problem is, the only reason basically why I'm looking for higher is because it's a three-wave move down. And that's how Elliott wave helps us here. Because any three-wave move is not clear indication of trend. I'm rather aware of the overall risk based on the larger context, of this chart that we've gone through in previous videos. But I think for now, the momentum is up. We're looking for higher prices. There is a target area there. And for me, one striking target is if you connect this high with this high, there's a yellow trend line that's coming down here that could, that is coming in at around $49, $50 right now, which is kind of in the upper area here, in the upper section of this target zone. So I think $49, $50 seems like a reasonable short-term target. In the very short term, it might be that we get another pullback, for example, in this zone. $22.46 to $26.48 is currently the relevant micro support area. So that's the update on AVAX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to check out our X channel as well for additional updates, news, and much more. You'll find a lot of updates there, links in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.